Welcome to another video walk around. Today we're going to be looking at the new Toyota Sienna XLE. Now, this is a 7-passenger all-wheel drive minivan in pre-dawn gray, and under the hood you'll find a 3.5-liter V6 driving on 18-inch wheels. Now, some of the great exterior features on the Sienna includes power sliding doors, power liftgate, proximity smart key system, and a backup camera. Now, helping us inside is our key fob here. It has our lock and unlock button. Like I mentioned, the Sienna does have a smart key system, so we can press these two lines on the door handle to lock the vehicle, and to unlock it, it's as easy as putting our hand inside the door handle here. Take a quick look in the side mirror. You can see you have a blind spot monitoring system. Now inside the door, you have your power windows, locks, and mirrors with some storage along the entire side here. And next to the door, you'll also find your parking assist button where you can turn those sensors on and off. Inside, the Sienna comes equipped with gray leather seating. On the top, you do also get a power moonroof as well. The Sienna is a push to start, so we're going to push the brake in and press the start button right behind the steering wheel there. Now, as always, we're going to start with the steering wheel features first. Starting on the left side, you have your audio controls, hands-free calling, and your voice recognition. On the right side, you have these arrows up top. This allows you to cycle through your multi-information display. Back on the right side, on the bottom here, you have your Toyota Safety Sense buttons with lane departure alert and dynamic radar cruise control, with your cruise control speed settings being right behind the steering wheel there. Moving on to our display, right now we are on the home screen, where on the left side it will display any audio that's playing along with any device that's connected. On the right side it shows the navigation map, so if we press that will enlarge. You can set your destination. If we go into audio here, you have your standard AM and FM options. You can also connect your phone through Bluetooth, of course. Going into reverse, that'll bring up that backup camera for you. Down below that is the climate control. It is a 3-zone climate control system, so you can adjust the temperature for yourself. The passenger next to you can do so as well, and you have this little dial in the center on the bottom for those rear passengers. Moving down below that, we can press this piece out. You have 2 extra cup holders that slide out. We have some storage along with this nice little shelf here. You do have 2 12-volt outlets, one on the bottom and one in the center here. This is where you'll also find your USB and auxiliary, along with your driver and passenger heated seats. Like I mentioned, this Sienna does have power sliding doors, so to access the back, we're just going to hold that third button on the left side there. If we take a look inside, you can see we are continuing with the gray leather seating. Behind the front passenger and driver seats, we have these electric storage compartments. The second row seats do fold down. It's as easy as lifting this middle handle up. The seats will fold. We can slide them forward, giving you access to your third row seating. Now, to access the cargo, we're going to hold that bottom button on our key fob for that power liftgate to open up. If we take a look inside here, you can see even with the third row seats up, you still have plenty of storage space in the back. We can put those third row seats down. It's as easy as just pulling on this little handle here. Seats fold all the way down, giving you that nice flat storage space. To close up, there is a little button up top on the liftgate. We can just give that a press, and that power liftgate will close on its own. Taking a last look at our Toyota Sienna, once again, some of those great interior features includes your gray leather upholstery, navigation, driver and passenger heated seats, and a power moonroof. There's still a lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this video walk around, and as always, drive safe.